Hi, my name is Wendy and I am a social media influencer. I get most of my work from advertising agencies and corporate brands. My image is my asset, so I invest most of my money in my persona brand and the way I look. Becoming a social media influencer is a job that many teens dream of having. Pays well, fulfills their wanderlust, and gives them a chance to help people, maybe even change the world. But the journey to becoming a social media influencer is not an easy task, and it doesn't happen overnight. Most influencers have spent years working very hard, learning progressively and posting daily to get to where they are today. My work has become my lifestyle, and sometimes it's difficult to separate the two. 3 months ago, an agency approached me with a marketing campaign they had for a beauty brand. As the potential influencer, I had to make sure that I had to get in shape and get the best beauty products for my hair and skin. The more I spent and got what I wanted, the better I felt. It was becoming quite addictive, and I did not even notice. Whether a habit is good or bad, when it becomes normal, it's hard to resist. When you pay for everything with cash, it can be easy to see how much you're spending as those 10s and 20s disappear from your wallet. Tracking how much you put on a credit card isn't as simple, especially if you're just getting started with credit. The fact that I had to look good for this campaign made me obsess over getting the best products, and each time I had a chance, I would use my credit card for all purchases. I even used the card for my workout and yoga classes. Before I knew it, I had a debt to pay and was counting on the campaign being successful to pay off the debt. Fortunately, the campaign was a huge success and I managed to pay my debts and save money. I had used credit cards in the past, but the time I became careless had actually cost me. This experience taught me to ensure that I limit the cards I use at a time. I also learned that it is important to consistently check your credit report. Also, paying your bill on time will save you money, plus help keep negative information off your credit report. If you have a tendency to run up credit card debt, then get rid of your cards and use only cash, checks, and debit cards. Live within your means and don't try to keep up with people. Credit cards can be convenient for purchases, but do your research on how to use them well.
Don't forget to like and subscribe to Profit Brain.